In this video, I will be showing how I routinely cut julienne strips out of few vegetables which I use in my cooking recipes. Here I am showing 3 bell peppers, carrot, onion and cabbage. Take one carrot, peel it, chop both the ends, then cut this carrot into 2 halves. Take one half and cut a small slice and place this side facing towards the chopping board. Now this will stabilize the carrot. Now start cutting the slices. After cutting the slices, stack these slices together as shown in the video. After stacking the carrot slices, start chopping them into long thin strips. Now let's put the carrot juliennes in a plate and move on to the next vegetable. For any bell pepper, cut the top and base of the bell pepper, then make it stand straight and put a slit on any side as you see in the video. Then keep rotating the bell pepper and start slicing the inner part. So this is how you get a strip shaped bell pepper. Now chop them vertically and place them in a plate. Repeat the same process for yellow and red bell peppers as well. So here by the same process, I've cut the red and yellow bell peppers as well. Now let's take these into a plate and move on to the next vegetable. Take the cabbage and place it vertically with the base facing towards the chopping board and slit it vertically into 2 halves. Now put one half aside and take the remaining other half and place it on the chopping board such that the flat surface is facing towards the chopping board. Now slit this into 2 parts again. Now put one part aside. I will be using the other half. So what you see here is called the stem and we need to remove this part. So hold this piece of cabbage in your hand, bend it backwards slightly and with the help of the knife give a diagonal cut. The stem gets separated. The next step is to remove certain inner layers of the cabbage as shown in the video. Now take the remaining cabbage, place it on the chopping board, press it slightly and start slicing the cabbage. The cabbage I have chosen here is a little bigger in size, so I have again chopped the slices into half. Now let's take an onion, peel it and cut the top and base of the onion and cut it into 2 halves. Place it flat over the chopping board and then start slicing it. Using these vegetables, I have prepared a delicious veg noodles recipe and the link is in the description box. Don't forget to check the recipe and subscribe for more.